Hello everyone, if you're getting this error when you're trying to update your Windows, update failed, then you've come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying update error on your Windows. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Microsoft Update Catalog, you're going to go onto this link from Microsoft.com, you're going to search the update that you want to download. So this one for me, click search on here, and then here you're going to download your update, the one that you need. So I need this one. I'm going to click download on here, then download the update. Click start download and let it do its thing. And once you're done with the download, you're going to go to the location where you download that update. So here for me, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here PowerShell. You're going to make sure you run PowerShell as administrator. You're going to put this command in PowerShell first. And after that, you're going to right click on the update, click copy as path. Your UI may look different. Just find the copy as path button and click on it. And then come here, paste the path on here, press enter then. Once you press enter, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here Windows Update, and then you're going to go into advanced options on here. You're going to click on to recovery here. Click fix problems using Windows Update, and then click reinstall now. Make sure to tick this checkbox, click OK then, and then Windows will fix your problem and then restart your computer. After you're done with the restart, now when you check your Windows, you'll see that you can easily update your computer now. You won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.